Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Ahmad Ridwan Ariantoro. I am from Food Science and Department, 11 Maret University. In this occasion, I want to share my research title, The Fasting Properties of Jack Bean Modified Starch with Heat Moisture Treatment. And this is our theme in this research. Okay, the introduction part, I want to share about the jack bean. Jack bean is the one of the local legume in Indonesia. In Indonesia, we call koro pedang, and jack bean has around 34.73% of starch. So this is very potential to extract the starch. And we all know the jack bean is underutilized legume, so this is good for the development of the jack bean in the future. If we extract the jack bean starch, we know that native starch has limited uses. For example, unstable viscosity on heat and shear stress, so we need the modification to improve the properties, especially physical, chemical, enzymatic and kinetic modification. This is for the improve the starch properties. So in this research, we choose heat moisture treatment because this is not chemical modification, so it's better safe than a chemical modification. And then what is heat moisture treatment? Heat moisture treatment is hydrothermal modification with high temperature heating with limited moisture content. In this objective of research, we want to study fasting properties of jack bean modified starch with heat moisture treatment. And then the second, we want to investigate the effect of various heating time and moisture content of jack bean modified starch. And this is a material of method. We use jack bean in the local market, and then natrium metabisulfite and aqueous. This is the jack bean extraction method. We use Yao et al. With modification. 100 gram jack bean seed we soak in room temperature around 9 hours, and then we peel skin, and then we got jack bean seed, and then we green for 3 minutes using aqueous, and we obtain jack bean solution. In jack bean solution, we extract the first and the second extraction, and we got filtrate and precipitation for 1 hour to get wet start, and then dried on the cabinet dryer, green and shift 100 mesh, and finally we got jack bean starch. And this is jack bean modified starch. We use jack bean starch, adjust moisture content 27%, 30% and 30%, and then we put on petri dish and cover with aluminum foil for the heating 110 degrees Celsius for 10, 13 and 16 hours. After that we dried and green and shift, and we got jack bean modified starch. And this is my research design. We use complete randomized design. We use moisture content 27, 30 and 30%, and 10 hours, 13 hours and 16 hours for the heat moisture treatment of time. And in my research, we only focus on the fasting properties. We got peak viscosity, true viscosity, breakdown viscosity, final viscosity, set-back viscosity, peak time, fasting temperature, and stability ratio. This is the important properties for the determine this is good or bad for the starch properties. Okay, the firstly we want to share about the peak viscosity. You can see in this graph the red color is native. This is mean unmodified starch, and then the yellow color is heat moisture treatment with 27%, and then the blue color 30% and the green color 30%. In this graph we can show that the heat moisture treatment lower the peak viscosity than native starch, and this is the true viscosity, the same trend like peak viscosity, where the heat moisture treatment lower the true viscosity than native starch. And the breakdown viscosity, this is the viscosity can determine the good stability start on the heat temperature and stress or not. And we know that breakdown viscosity is lower than a native start, and this is mean the heat moisture treatment can success to improve the properties regarding the viscosity stability. And set bed viscosity, the trend is same, and then final viscosity, the trend is same too, like peak viscosity and true viscosity. But in the peak time, the heat moisture treatment can increase peak time and passing temperature. That is mean the heat moisture treatment can affect the good stability during heating and shear stress. Okay, and this is my last result, that is stability ratio. The stability ratio means if the stability ratio is high, that it means the start is very good stability in shear stress and during heating. And this is my conclusion. The first one is check bean modified with heat moisture treatment has lower peak viscosity, true viscosity, breakdown viscosity, and final viscosity setback value. Then native check bean start. The peak time and passing properties. The peak time and passing temperature are higher than native jack bean start. Variation in water content or moisture content in heat moisture treatment modification result in an increase in peak time, passing properties, and decrease in peak viscosity, true viscosity, breakdown, final, and setback. The longer heat moisture treatment time result in an increase in peak time, passing temperature, and a decrease in peak viscosity, true viscosity, breakdown, final, and setback. And the last conclusion is the research suggests that to use heat moisture treatment start as a raw material to making food products such as sauce industry. So it's mean the heat moisture treatment can the very potential for the future. And I want to thanks to Directorate General of Higher Education of Republic Indonesia or DIKTI for the funded with a fundamental research grant 2021. Thank you very much for your time, and thank you.